Good morning, everyone. This is our report. First, IT leadership. The group of senior executive in an organization who is charged of the information technology, IT infrastructure, and application that enable and drive the organization's overall business strategy and goals. Next is leadership perspective in information technology. An important and necessary aspect of any organization, good leadership can get a company out of through a difficult period, while great leadership can pull a company out of downward spiral. Next is leadership theories, an essential component of running successful business. According to Landis Hill and Harvey, one of the most important factors in organizational success is leadership 2024. Next is trait theory. Believe that leaders pass qualities that were visible to those around them, and that a person could become a great leader based on certain traits and skills. Behavioral theory. Behavioral theory rejects the notion that leaders influence subordinates' behavior and instead performance. The concept that the leader influence and persuasion affects subordinates' performance in a visible way. Situational theory holds that a leader's best course of action is determined by a variety situational factors, including the motivation and capability of followers. Political theory hold that the wealthy, military, state, and church should rule by competing for the people approval and recognize the wants and needs of the masses. Leader role theory. Situation and individuals combine and interact to produce a group leader with a structured set of role and positions.
Exchange theories. The leader gains status in exchange for goal accomplishments. This status and power is depleted when the group's goals are met. Communication theory. The cooperation of group members. This theory works best in small groups. Servant leadership theory. On ancient philosophy and employs a shared power system prioritizing the needs of others, assisting originates in developing and performing servant leadership. Ethical dilemmas in each leadership. Micromanaging caused by a leader who believes they must control every aspect of a project or department. They do not delegate to their followers and require constant dates, which causes the project to be delayed due to the need to report progress. Lone hero. A manager decides to do everything themselves because they cannot trust their employees to do the job they were hired to do. They are referred to as a lone hero. Red actionary leader. Those who wait for an issue to occur before acting to remedy or resolve it. Long distance manager. Those who do not interact with employees. Connecting with employees on a regular basis builds trust when it comes to providing feedback on accomplishment or areas for improvement. 5 keys trends are influencing information technology and accelerating transformation. Mobility, cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things, identities.
Current ethical issue in information technology. Breach of contract. When the party fails to meet the agreed upon terms of contracts, it is referred to as a breach contract. It can be a serious problem in any department, but it is especially important to avoid in information technology due to the ever-changing nature of technology. Next, let's go to the mispresentation. According to Reynolds, a mispresentation is a false or incomplete statement of a material fact. If false information was used as the basis from entering into a contract, This can result in a breach contract. So now, let's go to telework. One organization allows employees to perform their job duties from home rather than requiring them to come into the office. This is referred to as telework. It can provide an employee with much needed flexibility, but care must be taken to ensure that they are just as productive at home as they are in the office. Now let's go to the corporate social responsibility or CSR. The idea that business should act ethically and accept responsibility for the environment impact of their actions. It is encompasses all entities and individuals impacted by corporation and allow for a more comprehensive picture of a company by including employees, customers, communities, and the environment. Next is a corporate ethics, a statement that identifies the principles and values that are important to an organization and highlights its key ethical issues. Now let's go to the conflict of interest. A conflict of interest occurs when the interest of two parties in a relationship clash. This can result from a leader using a family member's business for an event or from an employee working from a leader using a family member's providing support for their primary employees' products. Data breaches. This occurs when unauthorized individuals gain access to companies' databases for security of law. Social engineering or hacking into the system to steal the data can all lead to this. Next to the electronic discovery production. Process of creating, presenting, and collecting electronic data for use in criminal and civil courts. E-discovery, a crucial topic for IT because they will heavily involve in gathering the data requested by the court and attorneys. And the data must be protected and verified at all times to avoid data destruction or concealment. Next is the H-1B worker. When there is a shortage of qualified professionals brought into the United States on a temporary work visa to fill a job, a specialty occupation. Next is the fraud. This occurs when goods, services, or property are obtained through deception or trickery. This is referred to as fraud. When employees have too much access or their roles are not clearly defended, this can quickly spiral out of control. Enforcing the separation of duties such as ordering, authorizing, and receiving can aid in the prevention of fraud in an organization.
Outsourcing. This occurs when a company sends jobs overseas to a low-cost labor market in order to save money on salary and benefits. Inappropriate use of computing resources. When an employee, contractor, or consultant use their workplace equipment to perform outside work or they use computer to visit pornographic or gaming websites, this is considered inappropriate use of computing resources. Workplace monitoring. An organization monitors and tracks its employees' computer and internet usage, their reference to as a workplace monitoring. Inappropriate sharing of information when an employee of an organization releases information that will not trade secret in considered private data and has information. Trade secrets, pieces of information known only to employees that an organization has taken precaution to keep hidden from the general public. Because of nature of their jobs, information technology personnel have access to more system than most employees. Malicious insiders, employees, constructor, or consultant who have been compensated by another entity for providing information from their employer to the other organization are classified as malicious insiders. They have a significant advantage over those attempting to gain access to their company system, data, products through other means. Bribery, when someone is paid to obtain competitive advantage in businesses. It used to gain access to an organization's system, and it usually done in collaboration with malicious insiders. Making effort to connect with employees treat fairly and violating that license can result in problems with the code's organization or the software uses base. Open source code. According to Reynolds, open source code is any program whose source code is made available for use or modification by users or other developers. While open source code can be just a useful, truly programmed as purchase code, it can cause problem for organization. Open source code is still subject to some kind of software usage license, and violating that license can result in problems with either the code's originator or the software use base. Resume inflammation. An applicant's lying on a resume is referred to as resume inflammation. This can use problem because an applicant may be hired for a job for which they are not truly qualified in order to gain inside knowledge, or simply because they want a specific job and hope to learn what is required once hired.
Social network. Companies are increasingly using social media in the hiring process to investigate applicants and as a screening method. Reynolds 2015. One major ethical quandary that has arisen as a result of the use of social media during the hiring process is the request for the applicant's credential using social network in this manner could reveal protected information that should not be used in the hiring process, such as race, sexual orientation, or disability. Suplas and Gordon 2012. Reverse engineering is this process of disassembling an exciting item, physical or digital, to determine how it works in order to recreate it without having to pay for the diagram or code. Some organizations use reverse advantage over competitor or to check for patent violation. Whistleblowing. According to Reynolds 2015, whistleblowing is an attempt to bring attention to an organization negligent, illegal, unethical, or dangerous act by a current or former employee. Ethical dilemmas. Because information technology is improving and evolving at such rapid pace, what we know today will evolve and in some cases become obsolete in the coming years. Nonetheless, some long-term leadership positions have been established. Knowledge seeker. It is not an option to keep up with the latest technology trends. Change like the weather is unavoidable, and when it does, you must adapt because business executive cannot keep up with everything. Trend spotting has become an important role in IT leadership. IT leadership rules. IT leader must stay current on new technologies and trends that provide a distinct competitive advantage when combined with unique business practice. Such an advantage can provide significant ROI and aid in the realization of brand innovation. Negotiator and mediator. There are numerous technological decisions to be made in today's world. This option includes security, data storage, vendor selection, and so on. All of these aspects must be negotiated, acquired, and implemented. IT leadership is also critical in achieving a balance between meeting technological demands and competing for business priorities. IT leaderships also aid in the negotiation of budget and expenditure decision. Information manager. Every new technology and innovation introduce new data elements that must be tracked and managed. Is critical for IT leader to stay up to date and updates and change innovation, knowing what data is internal and what data is external to the organization can also help to reduce risk. Strong leader, being knowledgeable about infrastructures, technology aspect is only half to equation. The IT expert must be able to take initiative. IT like business operation can suffer from the ills or of poor leadership. Leadership IT leader must also have solid understanding of the business.
What skills contribute good leadership? IT leadership is the main vehicle by which the organization technology, strategies, and objectives are realized. It is also the foundation upon which business security and stability release. Because of this, adequate skills in the following areas have be obtained and employed. Programming and application development skills. Programs and application contribute to the formation of the IT environment. Business deal with the software created in-house as well as by third-party vendors. IT leaders must understand how this application function and which interface are used by the business. Management and interpersonal skills. Regardless of how technical you are, you must deal with the man before the machine. It is critical to understand how to manage people properly in an IT environment. It is all about serving the needs of the business. Network skills. A seamless environment consists of networker and component that support business communication and process stability. Understanding and skills network support are essential. Mobile application and device management skills. Today, most businesses have moved one step closer to their clients by implementing mobile applications. Mobile application and device management knowledge are key. Smart handheld devices and the user of mobile application on them have brought banking, shopping, and all kinds of e-commerce to the fingertips of consumers. IT leadership must understand how to implement and manage mobile software and component. Critical traits of strong IT leaders. Number 1, they must be agile. Leaders in technology must be able to keep up with rapid change and adjust their team's strategies and tactics on the fly. It is not enough to be a good people manager. Leaders must also assist their teams in adapting quickly. Agile thinking also improves problem-solving abilities which are essential for any technology leaders because technology is constantly involving the ability to adapt benefits tech leaders as they strive to learn new skills and keep up with new development. They must be efficient multitasker. IT leaders, more than leaders in other industries, must keep up with their own professional and technical development. Because technology and computer systems are constantly evolving, successful IT leadership must stay on top of industry change while judging the day-to-day responsibilities and managing teams. IT leaders must be up to date on the latest system and technologies as well as have a true understanding of their organization goals and how technology can help them achieve them. Number 3, they must be master communicators. Every leader must be able to communicate effectively. Leaders in IT, on the other hand, must be able to communicate in industry-specific ways to lead their IT teams. They must understand several coding language and use technical jargon, but they must also be able to break down complex information into simple terms of employees would lack in-depth technical knowledge, including C-level executive. At the same time, they must be able to communicate business and budget strategies to the IT department and argue for investment and improvement.